Hello primary 6 students. Today we will start unit 2 in our curriculum, which is electric energy. The first lesson is the electric lamps. It's known that the sun is the main source of light, but in the old centuries, man felt that daylight is not enough, so he started to search for artificial lights, such as fire torches, candles, and oil lamps. After the discovery of electricity, man uses the electric lamps instead of torches, candles, and oil lamps. The electric lamps represents a constant source of light that is clear, bright, and free from smoke and vapor. So as we said that the sun is the main source of light on earth, oil lamps, candles were used to get light before, but now torches, candles have disappeared from most countries to be replaced by electric lamps. In this lesson, we will talk about the electric lamps and the electric circuits. Electric lamp is the tool that converts electric energy into light energy. So the definition of electric lamp, it is the tool that converts electric energy to light energy. The electric current is the flow of electric charges in a good conductor of electricity, like the electric wire. So what is the electric current? Flow of electric charges in a conducting wire. Advantage of electric lamps: constant source of light, clear and bright, free from smoke and dust and vapor. There are different types of electric lamps, but the most popular of them is the most popular electric lamps are light bulbs and fluorescent lamp. We will start talking about light bulbs. Thomas Alva Edison is the American inventor who invented the light bulb. It can be used in lighting houses, car lights, and torches. We can say that the structure of light bulb, it consists of four main components, which are, number one, the filament. This is the filament. As you see, it is a coiled, thin wire made of tungsten. Coiled, thin wire made of tungsten. So we call it tungsten filament. It's connected with copper and lead wires that are connected to the base of lamp. As you see, it's connected to copper and lead wire that is connected to the base of light bulb. It is connected to copper and lead wires. The filament is made of tungsten because it has high melting point that prevent the melting of the filament at high temperature. So it is made of tungsten because it has high melting point that prevent melting of tungsten or filament at high temperature. So if we want to talk about the function of filament, we can say that it heats up and emits light when the electric current passes through it. You know that this light bulb is connected to a source of electric energy. When the electric current passes through the filament, it reaches to the filament through the copper and lead wire. When it reaches to the filament, it heats up and emits light, when electric current passes through it. So, can you tell me what is the function of copper and lead wire? We can say that they allow electric current or electricity to pass from the base of light bulb to the filament. Copper and lead wire allow the electric current to pass from the base of light bulb to the tungsten filament. We talked about the first component of the light bulb, which is the filament. Then we will move to the glass bulb. The glass bulb is made up of thin glass. Its function to prevent air from reaching to the filament to protect it from burning. To prevent air from reaching to the filament to protect it from burning. It contains one type of inert gas that is known as argon gas. So again, the glass bulb prevents air from reaching the filament to protect it from burning. It contains one type of inert gases, which is argon gas instead of air. So, what is the inert gas? The inert gas is inactive gas that don't burn and don't help in burning, or inert gases don't burn and don't help in burning. So argon gas doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. The function of argon gas to protect filament from burning when it heats up and increase its lifetime. So the function of glass bulb to prevent the air from reaching the filament. The function of argon gas to prevent the filament from burning and increase the lifetime of the filament. What about the base of light bulb? We can say that it carries the lamp upright, connected the lamp with electric circuit. So the function of base of light bulb is to carry the light bulb in an upright position and connect the light bulb to the electric circuit. There are two types of lamp bases, which are number one, spiral base, as you see. Number two, two side nails base. Two side nails base. Spiral base and two side nails base. The spiral base has a piece of lead to connect the lamp to the electric circuit. One piece of lead to connect the lamp with the electric circuit. While the two side nails base has two side nails and the two pieces of lead to connect the lamp to the electric circuit. Two pieces of lead to connect the lamp with the electric circuit. Before moving to the fluorescent lamp, which is the second type of electric bulb or electric lamp, can you tell me what is the structure in which the light bulb made of, the structure in the light bulb that is made of tungsten? What is the name of the structure in the light bulb that is made of tungsten? It is the filament. What is the inert gas that fill up the glass bulb of the lamp? What is the inert gas that fill up the glass bulb of the lamp? It is the argon gas. So we studied the first type of electric lamps, which is the light bulb. Let's move to the second type, which is fluorescent lamp. When we are talking about fluorescent lamp, we have to say first the uses of fluorescent lamp. It is used in lighting houses, decoration of commercial stores, and commercial advertisements. The structure of fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent lamp consists of number one, glass tube. It is a vacuumed glass tube that contains an inert gas, which is also argon gas, and a little amount of mercury vapor. So it is a vacuumed glass tube that contains inert gas, which is argon gas, and little amount of mercury vapor. The inner surface of the glass tube is covered with phosphoric material. The inner surface of the glass tube is covered with phosphoric material. The second structure is the two filaments of tungsten. They are found at the two tips of the lamp from inside. They are found at the two tips of the lamp from inside. Two filaments of tungsten, where each tip contains a filament of tungsten. Then finally, we will talk about the points of connection. There are 2 points of connection on each tap of the of the lamp, sorry. 2 points of connection in each tap of the lamp. The function of points of connection is to connect the fluorescent lamp with the electricity. Connect the fluorescent lamp with the electricity. The fluorescent lamp is known as neon lamp, but the inert gas used is argon gas, not neon gas. What happens if the lamp filament is made of iron? Iron will melt at high temperature. What happens if the glass bulb is filled with air? The filament will burn. We will move to the exercise, then we will return back to our lesson.
Put each label in its right position.
Copper and lead wire, argon gas, glass bulb, tungsten filament, base of light bulb.
Put each label in its right position.
Glass tube, 2 points of connection, glass tube, 2 filaments of tungsten. The second part of our lesson is the electric circuit. Connecting of electric lamp in an electric circuit. The simple electric circuit consists of number 1, battery, number 2, lamp, number 3, wires to connect the circuit components. Electric circuit is a closed and continuous path through which the electric current passes, making a complete cycle. Again, it is a closed and continuous path through which the electric current passes, making a complete cycle. Battery, it works as a source of electric current in the electric circuit. The battery is a source of electric current. The electric wire used to connect the battery with the lamp. It is used to connect the components of the electric circuit. But how can we connect the electric lamps in the electric circuit? Methods of connection or methods of connecting the electric lamp in the electric circuit. There are 2 methods to connect the electric lamp. The first method is series connection, and the second method is parallel connection. First, we will talk about series connection. Series connection is the way in which the light bulbs are connected one after the other one in one route. So the light bulbs are connected one after another in one route. As you see, if we want to connect if we want to connect 2 batteries, 2 electric lamps in series connection, we have to connect them in one route as you see in the figure. There is one route of the electric current to pass. If the electric current passes from positive pole of the battery to the negative pole, so there is only one way for the electric current to move. When we cut one of these routes or one lamp, for example, if one of the lamps burnt, the electric current will stop. So there is only one route for the electric current to pass through the circuit. So by unscrewing or burning one of the bulbs, the electric current doesn't flow. And also, by increasing the number of connecting light bulbs, the lighting of the lamp or the light intensity decreases. For example, if we put one bulb, the light intensity of this bulb is high. By connecting two in one route by series connection, the light intensity decreases. By connecting three, the light intensity decreases more because the electric current is distributed through three light bulbs. So in series connection, by increasing the number of connected light bulbs, the light intensity of the bulbs decreases. And if one of the light bulbs burn, the electric current doesn't flow. Give reason: when unscrewing one bulb from the opposite figure, the electric current doesn't flow. Because in series connection, there is one route for the electric current to pass through. About the parallel connection. Parallel connection, in which it is the way in which the light bulbs are connected in branching routes. If we connect only one, we will connect it as you see. By connecting two, we will make a branching route. The light intensity doesn't decrease by increasing number of light bulbs. So we can say that in parallel connection, the increasing the number of connected light bulbs, the lighting of the lamp or the light intensity remain as it is. And if one of the light bulbs burn, the electric current move in the other route and the other lamps in the circuit don't turn off. Again, there are branching routes for the electric current to pass through the circuit. So by unscrewing one of the lamps, the electric current moves in the other route and the other lamps in the circuit don't turn off. You have to know that in decorative lights that are used in wedding, if one or more lamps burn, the other lamps don't turn off because the lamps in the decorative lights are connected in parallel. Give reason: turning off or damage any of the lamps in a room doesn't affect the lamps in the other rooms of the house because all electric lamps in the houses are connected in parallel to the source of electricity. Connecting of electric lamps in houses. All lamps in the house are connected in parallel. The lamps are connected from the main distributor of energy, but they work independently. Each lamp functions alone. The turn off or damage of any of the lamps in the room doesn't affect the other lamps. I have finished the lesson. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.